Welcome to Guess and Giggle. Let's play and learn together.
Healthy and unhealthy food. Children, you need to identify the food item whether it is healthy or unhealthy. Let's begin. Fruits. Fruits are healthy. They provide natural sugars, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber that keeps the body energetic and healthy. Egg. Eggs are healthy. They provide high quality protein, healthy fats, and important vitamins and minerals that support growth and brain development. Burger. Burgers are unhealthy. They often contain refined buns, processed cheese, and high-fat fillings, making them high in calories, unhealthy fats, and sodium with low nutritional value. Vegetables. Vegetables are healthy. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and dietary fiber, which support our immunity and digestion. Pizza. Pizzas are unhealthy. It is often made with refined flour and contains high amount of cheese, unhealthy fats and sodium, providing very little dietary fiber or essential nutrients. Milk. Milk is healthy. It is an excellent source of calcium, protein, and essential vitamins that helps build strong bones and teeth. Ice cream. Ice cream is unhealthy. It contains high amount of added sugar and saturated fat and offers very few essential nutrients or fiber. Honey. Honey is healthy. It provides natural energy and antioxidants, but should be taken in moderation due to its high natural sugar content. Soda. Soda is unhealthy. It contains extremely high amount of added sugar and zero vitamins, minerals or fiber, which can lead to weight gain and tooth decay. Chicken. Chicken is healthy. It supplies lean protein and essential vitamins with low fat, especially when cooked in a healthy way. Yogurt. Yogurt is healthy. It offers calcium, protein, and probiotics that improve digestion and strengthen our bones. Fries. Fries are unhealthy. They are deep fried in oil, making them high in unhealthy fat and sodium, while offering very little nutrients or fiber. Pulses. Pulses are healthy. They are packed with plant protein, dietary fiber, iron, and other nutrients that support growth and digestion. Juice. Fresh juice is healthy. It provides vitamins and minerals but contains less fiber than whole fruits, so it should be consumed in moderation. Candy. Candies are unhealthy. They contain very high amount of added sugar and artificial colors, and they provide no vitamins, minerals or dietary fiber, which makes them poor in nutritional value. Nuts. Nuts are healthy. They are rich in good fats, protein, fiber, and antioxidants that provide long-lasting energy and support heart health. Cake. Cakes are unhealthy. It is high in added sugar, refined flour, and saturated fat, providing very little nutritional value or dietary fibers.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more videos.